mo dyan. Sana sumakay ka dyan, Roy.
Buwis buhay.
Go, ride with them.
Don't move, don't move.
I saw
He's trying to isolate the
I saw your
high
boss
voltage, right?
on the thing.
Look at that. Tinanggal. Hindi kita dyan, yan. Nyalis na, eh. Nako. Shit. Delikado yan. Ha? Ano na saray pa ma?
Hindi nga to. Panyitig punta.
Pusti nga rod.
Baka matindag ang kataod pa.
Kita mo makawan sa dyan siguro.
Lumabog dito. Ayun.
O ano yun? Abay na ala dyan PSP yun? Naala yun? PSP?
Ito ni the last
Chok pa mo, mano na alam?
March 5.
Sa Ribo? 1.7?
1.5.
1.7? Ah. So maging magtagtaga rin dyan may isa dyan.
Yan na ala na bayagan na.
Ah, chok pa mo. Yan mo nag...
Si Kati na ala.
Tagtaga rin di ko ah.
800 something na. Sa lutsod na malaglo.
Ah, nagsasalutsod. Bagi na ratan.
Pagpasi yan.
Tinagin niya.
The orange one, wire. That means they continue the electricity. Now they fix it, then they cut from each pole and fix it there, because this they put the one pole extra between because it's very like this.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
anytime
no,
it's broke. So that's why they put the additional.
Yeah, so...
Is 100 feet, something like that. Yeah, see that is almost 100 feet. This one here, this side.
There you go. Look at those guys.
Yeah. See now that guy to hold that one, and they go directly in the hall.
Yeah.
These people are working in the live. You know that? This
I know.
is live.
Yeah.
The electric is also live, no stop.
But more money.
Yeah. That's why they get more money.
Hazard.
It's a 60, 40,000, 44,000 voltage.
Hazard pay. Look at.
This one is this one big one. This one is maybe 11,000 voltage, but the bigger one is a big.
Ano, ang trabaho nila dito. Ibababa nila yung poste para hindi yung wire hindi siya nakaano, yung parang maluwag. Yun ang gagawin siguro. Check natin. Damn, taas niya, no? Buwis buhay ang trabaho nila. Ginababa na nila. Buhay na trabaho. Ito sa Amerika. Meron pa isa. Yan. Ginagawa niya. Kompleto sila. Galing. Galing. Buwis Buhay. 3,000 sweldo yung mga yan.
Hoy, what you doing there? Pinutol yung kanina eh, pinalitan nila ng bago.
Oo nga. No, I'm telling the truth.